All right, so we are now on question 2. Question 2, woohoo! Question 2, yeah, question 2. Okay, sorry about that. It says, for the following arithmetic sequence, find A and D and state the formula for the general terms. Don't forget to simplify. Ooh, I should have said, simplify. Simplify. All right, so how do we approach this? Well, it says arithmetic sequence, so that should tip you off that you're going to be doing what? Hopefully you said adding. So the first one's going to be negative 10, negative 4, do 8, and 14. Okay, so we got this sequence here, and we want to figure out what we're doing. Well, one thing I want to stress is that when you're looking for what you're doing, you don't always have to think about it. If this is difficult for you to do, or this is difficult, you can always just do 8 minus 2, which is pretty simple to see that it's 6. So we know D is 6. We also know A1 is what? A1, or T1, whichever one makes you happy, represents the first term. All right, so steak sauce is going to be negative 10. See, that's why I use A1, because T1, what can you say? I'm going to make a Terminator joke. And they are actually making another Terminator movie, but I digress. Okay, so AN, the formula is AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, again, think of that slope formula. Y equals mx plus b. All right, so we're going to plug in what we know. And so what do I know? I know the first term is negative 10. I know D is 6. And I'm going to solve. So this gives me negative 10 plus, I'm going to distribute 6 into both of these. 6n minus 6. So 6n minus 16 is my equation. Okay, so AN equals 6n minus 16. And that's going to be your answer. All right. Just to stress again, this equation actually is what? That's y equals what? Y equals mx plus b. Okay. So the arithmetic sequence is the same thing as the slope formula. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Next video we'll look at 2b.